Hello students, today we will discuss about nominal interest rate. And how nominal interest rate in short run concept would be affecting the three situations that we'll be discussing further. So let's understand what is nominal interest rate. So it is a fundamental principle in economics, as it is referred as the opportunity cost of something that increases, and the consumers or the people in an economy tries to substitute for it. But money has no exception. That means money has no potential substitute. Money is no exception, as money can also be substituted. So the higher the opportunity of cost of holding money, so the other things would remaining are the same. The smaller would be the quantity of real money demanded. If the higher is the cost of opportunity of holding money, then it would remain the same, other things remaining the same. So the smaller is the quantity of real money demanded. The quantity of real money demanded would be less. Now let's understand that what will be the impact of nominal interest rate in the short run if the real GDP increases. If the real GDP increases, then the demand would also increase, and in order to meet the, let's understand this with the help of a graph, it would be easier. So this is the money supply curve. Money supply curve. This is the nominal interest rate. This is real money. This is nominal interest rate. So now let's say this was the point before any increase in the real GDP. But now the GDP has increased. So the shift in the money demand curve, this is the money demand curve. There will be a rightward shift in the money demand curve due to increase in the real GDP, and this increase in the interest rate, this will be the increase in the interest rate, and this will be the shift in the interest rate with an increase in the real GDP. So the demand for the money will increase automatically. So in order to meet the higher expenditure, this forces the demand curve, money demand curve, to shift rightwards. And if the money supply curves remains unchanged, that means the nominal interest rate has to automatically increase. This has to increase, and this is how in real GDP increases, the nominal interest rate will increase. Now let's take another situation where the money supply is increasing. So what will be the effect on the nominal interest rate? Money supply curve. Money supply increases, sorry. So this is the nominal interest rate. This is real money. This is money supply curve. This is money demand curve. So the money supply increases, so it will show a shift, a rightward shift in the money supply curve. Along with this, there would be a decrease in the nominal interest rate. So when the money supply curve increases, people end up holding more money than it is required by them to buy bonds with that extra money. So this increase in the demand of bonds will automatically lead to increase in the prices, because people will have more money, so they will demand for more bonds. Ultimately the prices of bonds will rise and the interest rate would be lower. Prices will increase of bond, people will have more money, more money. More money means they are demanding more bonds. More bonds means the prices of bonds will increase. And if the prices of bonds will increase, it will lead to fall or decline in the nominal interest rates of bonds. So the nominal interest rate would automatically decrease if the money supply in a particular country increases. Now let's take another hypothetical situation where, let's say, the price levels are increasing or are rising. This is the real money. This is the nominal interest rate. This is the money supply curve. This is the money demand curve. And now the price levels are increasing. That means this would result in shift of the money demand curve, leading to increase in the nominal interest rate. So if the price levels rises, the demand for money will also rise. If the price level will rise, the people will start demanding for more money, because they have to meet the inflation in the country. So the demand for money will rise. As people will demand more money to meet their expenditure, this will force the demand curve or the money demand curve to shift rightwards, but the money supply would remain unchanged. So the nominal interest rate would automatically increase to meet the increased demand of money by the consumers. So I hope you understood the concept of nominal interest rate and how it will be affected in different situations. Thank you.